continue the conversation around data and data readiness for machine learning applications. Today, let's consider data and its transformation in large-scale enterprises or organizations as compared to startups. Startups have different data challenge, so let's not talk about it today. Today, I'll cover about how we deal with data in large-scale applications in organizations that have large quantities of data. So there are a number of steps that you need to follow in data wrangling, like we like to say, or data transformation, in order to make the data ready for machine learning applications. The first one is data cleaning, de-duplication of data, imputing null values of data, and understanding the data attributes and deciding some of the attributes that you can drop from this data. The second thing is actually feature importance. So typically machine learning algorithms deal with data that has large quantities of features. So if you're looking, for example, somebody's medical history, that could have anywhere between all their previous medical conditions, along with which doctor's office they saw, what is their insurance policy, are they covered by Medicare or Medicaid? What is the location of the hospital? Do they have any diagnostic information from a lab? So on and so forth. This could run to thousands of attributes and features. So sometimes it's important to discuss with the subject matter experts or domain experts what are the data attributes that are important and what are some of the features that are not important. For example, in the lung cancer research project that we did, we came to know that some DRG codes like they used to do for the data in a person's medical history are not very important. And so we decided to drop it along with the lung cancer surgeon's expert opinion. The other thing is understanding that most machine learning algorithms accept numerical values, so converting different data types into numerical values. Then you would do some data labeling. So in data labeling, you can actually simplify your data into 0 or 1 if it's a binary form of is fraud present or not present. The next thing is you will deal with actual skewness of data or some outliers. And there are some methods called SMART, etc., that helps with your outlier detection and actually make it all streamlined for your machine learning algorithm purposes. So here are multiple steps that you have to do before you actually get ready to perform your machine learning algorithms or write your algorithms. So typically you do descriptive data analysis, find out all the different variations of your data, and do the following steps: data cleaning, data imputation, data labeling, data transformation, feature importance, and finally outlier detection before you actually perform machine learning algorithms. And this forms your data readiness for any AI, machine learning, or data science project.